Welcome guys, I am in the Salt Spring area in St. Elizabeth Slipe. So take a view of Salt Spring. From Salt Spring you can take a tour from there right to the Black River Safari. Always remember to like, share and subscribe to my channel. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So enjoy the tour and always give the video a big thumbs up. You're brave man. Love that still, you know? A true man. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So welcome back guys, welcome back to the channel. Your tour guide of Jamaica. I tour different places in Jamaica, so if you're new to this channel, kindly subscribe and hit the like button. So as soon as I upload a video, just press the all icon and you'll be notified. So take a tour of going into the Slipe area. Slipe in St. Elizabeth. But I'm coming from Lacovia direction. So if you're coming from the Lacovia direction, you can come from Lacovia Bridge. Also you can come from the Lacovia police station. And if you're coming from the mountainside direction, come straight through Burnt Savannah, come straight to Lacovia, and you make a left turn at the stop sign and you can go to Slipe district in St. Elizabeth. So take a tour with me, your tour guide. Back in the days they used to have a Astrid's Park in Slipe, but I think it closed down. I think they have a different attraction over there, but I don't know exactly what attraction. So sweet St. Elizabeth. Now we're gonna have a little bit of bumpy ride and stuff, but come along the journey with me. Yeah man, so you know you can go to Salt Spring, Catawba, Frenchman, and also to Timber Bridge. A lot of persons supposed to hear about Timber Bridge. That's where a lot of persons come and do them baptism and stuff, you know. So a lot of persons supposed to know about Timber Bridge. So I'm just giving you an update on this area because normally I do this area already, but you know, I'll always give you an update no matter what. If I do that area, I will still go back and give you an update on that area. So you can use this road and take you straight back into Black River. On the Crane Road, you would make a right turn and reach the Crane Road. If it would take you out to Black River. If you make a left turn, that would take you back to Mountainside, Pondside, Barber Hall, Cheddar Beach, many different areas. And also in Slipe, you know, there's a fishing area also. A lot of fish catching Slipe, you know, them call them fish there, the black fish, them black perch, and also a lot of mud fish. Yeah man, so I give you a full drive through this area, you know. So when you come to Jamaica, you can say, yeah, you know, so me need to take a tour upon them places the same way. Yeah, man, because a lot of persons when they travel, they see a lot of different signs, you know, of different areas. But once you tune into Fire Rate channel, and you know, say, yeah, man, you know, say, I see that video already on Fire Rate channel. So I take a tour in that area there, you know. Yeah, don't matter the road condition, still have to go to our destination same way. Know some of the time the road kind of bad and stuff, but still have to reach our destination. And also it's very close to Jamaica Zoo. And also you can leave from Salt Spring. From in the Salt Spring area, take a tour of the safari, the Black River Safari. Yeah, man, so I get a lot of rain, my people. You can see the place green and pretty. A little bit of lonely ride, so keep on watching, guys. A lot of persons abroad want to see them play same way. A lot of persons can't get the chance to come home. So this is how your area look, taking you all to Slipe. So when you're in the Slipe area, you can get a nice view up in the Retrieve Mountain area. Also a nice view of the Burnt Savannah Morass. man. But you see the road condition, so you're gonna have a look at challenges with the road condition and stuff. So just appreciate Fire Reid for whatever he do for his Jamaican people and also everyone else all over the world. So as you can see on the two sides of the road, you can see Maras. You know, some persons don't know what is Jamaican Maras, you know. So just passing the Timber Bridge area. Yeah man, so if you want to have a swim, you can come to the Timber Bridge area. If you like the fresh water, very nice and clean water there. A lot of baptism take place at Timber Bridge. Many different churches use it for a baptism area. So when you come into the Slipe area, you can go to Catabo Frenchman. Any place you go in St. Elizabeth, you will normally see a mango tree, coconut tree and breadfruit tree also. In St. Elizabeth, as you know, St. Elizabeth is the bread basket. So big up all the Slight Massive them, big up yourself anyone there yard and abroad. Thank you all for tuning in to Fire Raid True Jamaican Vibes. Them places you see a lot of animals, goat and cow and pigs. In St. Elizabeth you have a lot of bikers, so you gotta be careful for the bikers on the road. Yes, my people, as you know, one love and one heart, True Jamaican Vibes. So we're having some nice weather today in the Slipe area. Nice sunny weather today. Don't matter where you come from, you just have to be proud of your place where you're born and grew up. Don't matter matter what. Can't forget the place where we come from. Blesses the people. Also remember to like up the video and share and subscribe, you know. So if you want your farm supply, you can go to K&L Farm Store. No place like country, you know. The countryside is the best. On your right, you have the Catawba Independence Baptist Church. Big up on yourself, anyone there. A lot of persons remember them church there. So if you make a right turn, we'll take you to Punches, Catawba. So on your right, you have the Catawba Basic School. One of them things that you see on the countryside when mommy are riding bicycle, blessings, you know. So we are going towards the Salt Spring area. So you have a lot of touch tree in the area. A lot of persons from different parishes always come to Slipe to buy the touch tree to make different shed. Like in the Slipe area, gonna get some rain today. So we're in the Salt Spring area. So we're gonna cross the Salt Spring Bridge. So this bridge they normally take you from here, go straight to the safari in the Black River. So if you want to do a tour, you can come to Salt Spring. From right Salt Spring, go to the safari. You're brave, man. Love that still, you know? A true man. Man, everything good. Ah. Yes, my people, let's keep on the journey. Let's keep on the journey same way. Keep on watching. Yeah, man, a tour guide, you know. Take you any place you want to go in sweet, sweet Jamaica Island. Yeah, everybody knows how we love Jamaica. This is where everybody come to have vacation. The Hope Divine people them, big up for yourself and all of them. Hope Divine Funeral Home, big up for yourself. Although we don't want to see no more funeral, no more burial. nice view of Lagwood Maca Tree. If you know how Holland bamboo stay, this is how it look like. But this is Lagwood Maca Tree. This is the tree a lot of persons use it for fencing. Jamaica. Some people say one way in, one way out. So you can go from the Lackover side, and you also can come from the Crane Road side. for watching my channel, True Jamaican Vibes Fire Raid.